Hivyo nimeanza. Na tunaenda tu pole pole. Hebu kuja hii side, nataka kutoka kwa hii video. Salimia wase.
Ya Jeni. Masoni TV. Subscribe. Subscribe.
Hadi sisi hapa subscribe.
Wafanye nini nyingine buda? Wa comment
na mwashe hiyo notification, watch on. Video iki drop na kwa kwanza kuicheki.
Nice.
Msupport kijana.
Anajituma. Unajitaje bro? Yeah, what's up guys, man? It's Masoni TV again. It's your boy, niko tao mazee, ni kutesa. Niko na boy wangu hapa mmoja wa power jo. Atajiintroduce awambie anafanyanga nini. Buda? Unajitaje man?
Mimi ndo Bena. Alafu mimi nasomea JKUAT, mimi mwanafunzi nasomea engineering.
And he's my colleague in fact.
So we work, tuna work na yeye. Sasa niko holiday.
And there is something you're not telling people mazee. Hiyo ndio kitu nataka itokee hapa sana. But before that wacha tu niji-introduce alafu tutasikia story yako, si ndio? So what's up guys, it's Masoni TV. Please kimbia pale YouTube, search Masoni TV na usubscribe, ulike, ushare, ucomment, leave a comment at least mazee, tukue na conversation hapo chini. Au sio Bena?
Sio.
So Bena, tell us your story mazee, cause I noticed something about you. You have a talent mazee. Na hii kitu we start nurturing it as early as now. You have a talent mazee. Nataka tuwe mwenyewe useme staki ati mimi niingililie story. I just want to hear it from you, my guys, to hear it from you. You have a talent and we must put you on the map. How sio? What do you do man?
Okay.
What are you good at?
I'm good at singing, I'm good at rapping. Wase mimi ni msanii. Naweza andika mistari, kwa dai mistari unaweza kuja nikuandikie. Writing songs is my thing actually. It's my thing. Kwa hivyo wase mimi naweza taka na drop a wimbo this week. So nilikuwa na YouTube channel alafu ikadeletiwa. So nita create another one. Naweza drop tu hapa.
Hold on kiasi, tutadropia uko mbele. We have to cross guys. Tuko mali pabaya. We have to observe the traffic rules, ndio? So Bena, you are telling us something manze. You sing?
Yeah, I sing.
Which kind of
I sing hip hop. Yeah.
Maybe you can drop some lines. Sijui tusimame mahali ama drop tu tukiendelea. Kavas tu, si hata upige nini yote, piga tu kitu kidogo tu hapo sasa. Anyway, ukijipanga acha niwagongeshe. So guys, today the plan is leo nimeamua I think niliwa promise sometimes back to take you to the train. So leo ni ile siku. I hope tutapata train. Nataka kuwa take through from Tao hapa railway station mpaka mtaani mazee. So nimeamua niwafanyie hivyo ndio I don't want to keep you waiting mazee. This thing was planned. Tumekuwa tu tukipostpone and I think it's time we do it. Yeah. So guys, if you're joining us, kimbia Masoni TV, something is cooking. Tunajenga hapa ka video na mtu wangu hapa wa nguvu mazee. Bena, you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
You ready?
Let's drop ya saa hii ka drill. Drill niliandika tu tunakuwa tuliandika na wewe tu hapa.
Yeah.
Nienda hivi. You fell in love the rapper, you fell in love the trapper. Every time you say smart, you can never get enough. I love that perform me so. I beg you from where the bar. They come the king of rap, they come the king of trap. You give all your love, but she do in a trap. I bet you love her so much that you never forgot her laugh. Every time she laugh, you fantasy love, yeah, fantasy love. And when they fell in love, I felt so like the one. You play me like a mug. I forgot you as la. And I wanna see your face. And I wanna see you again. Yeah.
Man.
Ndio malizo mistari. Hizo nimeandika leo.
Mazee. So guys, this guy is very talented. Unaweza andika ngoma ngapi?
Mimi naandika naweza andika ngoma ka 4. Ngoma naweza andika within 20 minutes. Yeah.
Hebu nishawa jamaa cooperative house. Sijui inaweza tokea yote. Cooperative house. Guys, you have it over there. And then right behind us we have tumepita Reinsurance Plaza. Oh, sorry. tuko hizi side za nini za National Bank, huku side za railways. Hii road inaitwa nini? Haile Selassie ama inaitwa nini? Haile Selassie ama Ronald Ngala. This is Haile Selassie guys. Then I come inside. Najua napendanga kushoot na hii mkono ndio isi shake. So you guys, you've heard my boy here. The guy is so talented manze. Sijui tutamfanyia nini. But for now we can just tell him to push himself, aende pale YouTube ajisukume manze, aingie studio atudropie something.
Studio kudrop wimbo hivi.
Manze tudropie something manze. So Bena, sitaki kupeleka mbali. I want to leave you here. Mimi pambane na hii jam. Take my people to the train.
No problem. You guys remember to subscribe. Yeah.
So guys, welcome to my YouTube channel again. Yeah, we had some issues with security. I didn't know it was dangerous to film in town maze. Yeah, we had issues with security, but thank God tuliongea tukamalizana and things are good. I don't even know if it's allowed to film in there, but I'll inquire. I was just risking it, man. But I noticed it's not allowed. I think it's because of security issues. I'm still in town, headed to the railway station. Some few meters from here, I can actually see the railway station. But I'm just worried. Let me go there and find out if it's allowed or not. I was excited to bring you every step of the way, how it looks like, how everything looks like in town. But I just noticed, security must be observed and we respect that. So next time I'll be extra vigilant with myself. So guys, we are headed to the railway station just to catch a train. I hope it's the time now is 6:26. I hope we'll be able to catch a train. So guys, come along and subscribe to my channel, Masoni TV, MASONI, Masoni TV. Please subscribe, like, comment, share, and please comment maze. I really need those feedbacks maze. Positive, negative, I'm ready for those feedbacks. Comment, like, and share. Right about now I'm almost at the railway station, so let's go along. But sita film huko ndani. I'm just going to pay, and then maybe inside the train we will catch up. So guys, keep watching. Alright guys, I'm home. Nimefika salama. I thank God. But we had issues today. Whoa. I didn't know it was that dangerous to film in town. We were almost arrested in town. And then coming to the railway station, they tell me for you to film, you need at least a letter from the KFCB, Kenya Film and Classification Board, for you to film such an institution. So I understood because of security issues, and then when we got into the train, I tried again to film, but it was hectic. We had police officers there just to maintain the peace, safety for everyone. So I understood again. So we were unable to film in the train. Please accept my apologies. I tried my best, but it is what it is, maze. Nilijaribu ikashindikana, but next time, I don't know, at least I showed you the train. from my previous video about the crazy walk part 1. At least you saw the trains, and then guys, go to my YouTube channel and watch my videos. They are really amazing. They are really amazing. We have the one the expressway one. Go watch that one also. They are very interesting, very nice, entertaining. And so just go to YouTube, search Masoni TV, and just watch my videos. So today was a bad day at work. Haikuwezekana, but we hope for better things ahead. So guys, let me tell you something. The place where we were almost arrested, that place, some 20 years back, not 20, yeah, 22, 23, because it happened in 1998, and now we are in 2023. So something terrible happened around that area. So I think they are very vigilant, especially when you're taking pictures, when you're taking videos. They are very vigilant and they don't entertain such. So just came to my mind that where we were recording was just next to the US embassy that was bombed in 1998. So I understand why Kenya is so strict, why to film in the city, because you see, that's how terrorists get the information. So I understood, and we are not doing anything in town, no videos in town. We just focus in the estates and outside the city. But in the city, I just noticed things can get really tough for you if you film in town. But I'll keep on reading about the rules and regulations. Maybe there must be a day or two where at least we are allowed to film in our city and to showcase our city to the world. Guys, I'm home. Right behind me is the magic estate of Pipeline. Magic estate of Pipeline. You can see I'm coming live from the 7th floor. What you're just seeing down there, those are estates. And we are near JKIA. Jomo Kenyatta International Airport is like 5 kilometers from where we are coming from, where we are here. Yeah, so guys, man, today was a bad one. But at least we tried. We did a video for like in town. We did a video for like yeah, we really tried, man. We really tried, and we were very lucky, because where we were filming from, where we started filming was the Insurance Plaza. Those are very protected areas, and man, we were very lucky. And just let me end this video and then we can go home. So guys, thank you for keeping it here. Thank you for watching Masoni TV, and subscribe, man. Subscribe. We are doing well. The figures are good. I'm very impressed. Keep on subscribing, keep on commenting, keep on sharing, and turn that notification bell on so that every time I post a video, you're the first one to watch. So I want to end this one here because it's late. I have to run some other issues. It's 7:14, very late. It's getting dark. So I want to end this one here. Stay safe, keep subscribing. Till next time, bye bye.